is Michelle Pascalito, and today I want to talk to you about why you would want to create a dark post. And the dark post can be found and created within the Power Editor. And the way that you can access that is if you're over here in your Ad Manager, and let me just choose my account right here, and you can access the Power Editor right here. Now, most of the ads that I create will be done within the Ad Manager, but as of right now, you don't have the capability of doing what's called a dark post. So what is a dark post? All a dark post simply is a status update that you're going to create that is not going to show up on your business fan page. Now, you might be saying, well, why wouldn't I want that to show up on my fan page? Well, there's a couple of reasons. So some of the reasons that I run into is if I'm out there promoting, let's just say this free webinar that I'm giving away on 6 totally simple steps to take on Twitter for 15 plus links a day. Now say I want to promote this link. Sure, I can create a status update on my fan page, provide that link, upload a really nice image, and come into my Ad Manager and actually do a page post engagement ad. Well, what if I also want to promote another program here? Here's my Talk Your Business. Well, if I'm back there right now creating a bunch of ads, and I wanted to do a page post engagement ad where that ad shows up in the newsfeed of a mobile device, the newsfeed of a desktop computer, on the right-hand side of Facebook, I would have to come in if I'm using the Ad Manager and create another status update to where I'm talking about this particular program. Now, let's just say I went out there and I wanted to promote MITS, My Internet Traffic System. So some of you out there might be affiliate marketers and you have several programs out there that you want to promote, or just maybe you have several different things you want to promote, and you know that in order to be successful on Facebook, this is all about engagement. It's about creating a lot of value and not pitching your products or opportunity throughout your entire fan page in one day. So if I wanted to go in there and today was the day I was creating a bunch of ads, I would have to create status updates, and it would look like that all I was doing was confusing people with different programs that I'm promoting out there, and it would just probably not get me a lot of results. So that's where the Power Editor comes in, to where you can come in here and create what's called a dark post. So now these status updates you're about to create using the Power Editor will not show up on your fan page. And also what's cool is let's just say I want to promote this particular link in a status update and create an ad with the Power Editor, and I wanted to run it in the newsfeed of a mobile device. I wanted to run the ad in the desktop of the desktop newsfeed in the right-hand side of Facebook. But this time I wanted to split test. Maybe I want to split test different images to see what converts better. Or maybe I wanted to change up the headline or the description. Well, again, you can't do that and create different ads in the Ad Manager unless you were to come in here and create 5 different status updates with 5 different images. So that's just going to look really bad all on your fan page. So hopefully that makes sense. So that's why you can use the Power Editor and come in here. You need to go over to the top and choose Manage Pages and click on Create a Post. And then right down here, you're going to see this post will only be used as an ad, or this post will be published on the page, okay? So what you want to do is actually do this one right here, put this radio dial button, because we want this post to only be used as an ad. We don't want this to show up on our fan page, but we want this to show up as an ad in the places that we specify. So I can come in here and I can copy this URL here, and I can paste it right there. So that's what I'm promoting. And now I can create different dark posts here, and I can create different text. So maybe in this one I'm going to say this, but then maybe I'm going to create another dark post and say something a little different and test the different text or descriptions against each other to see what works better. So it really is a great strategy to use. So I'm going to keep walking through this, but it's a great strategy to use because you can just really mix up your status updates for these type of page post engagements ads without them showing up on your fan page. So I might say 6 silly, simple steps to take on Twitter for 15 leads per day. And then I can come here and say get access by entering access now by entering in your best email address. Alright, so I'm talking about what I'm going to give away. Then I can say something takes only 20 minutes per day. These strategies only take 20 minutes a day. Anyone can do this. Anyone can do this. Yes, even you. Alright, so that's there. Take away all this capitalization. I'll put up here and I'm yelling at people. And you can even add a call to action button. Learn more now. Shop now. So I'm going to put the learn more now. That little button's going to show up in the status update. This link headline, you don't need to worry about. The display link, the description, that's going to pull off of the page, but you can certainly add stuff here if for some reason you don't like how this turns out. So I'm going to show you by me not filling this out what that's going to look like. Now I'm actually going to upload an image myself here instead of importing it from the website. So I'm going to go in here. Here's a great image. And then I'm going to create that post. And there, you've just created your very first dark post. So we can take a look at it and see what it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look. It looks good to me. And notice I didn't have to end up filling out this part here. I left it plain and it pulled it from the website. Here's that call to action button. Really, really powerful. And we can see how it looks on the right-hand column. Looks great. And then the mobile newsfeed. How does it look? Looks great. So you've got to be sure that you create these dark posts, that you upload changes. Right here is a big green button. You're going to have to push that before you get out, or it will not actually go out and publish. So make sure that you do that. But you also want to take the next step after creating that dark post and create an ad based around that post right there. So again, let's just say now I'm going to create another post with that same URL, but now, I want to come in here and put a different text to see what works better, or maybe a different call to action button. This is the reason why you would want to do this, and then you can come in here and click on create an ad, and choose your account, and I have lots of trainings out there available to show you how to do all this, but you would just come in here and you can create your own new campaign, and then do all the great targeting and everything that Facebook allows you to do to start targeting a specific audience based around all your dark posts. So I wanted to do this little tutorial for you on dark posts because I want to make sure that you are utilizing this. This is a great way for some of you advanced marketers to really take your Facebook advertising efforts to the next level. You can create all different kinds of dark posts based around exactly what I just showed you how to do on this particular status update. And so for me, what I would probably do next is I would end up testing different images against each other. So I would probably create 3 or 4 more dark posts around the exact same thing I said, maybe test different images that'll show up in newsfeed or in mobile newsfeed or on the right-hand side, depending on what type of ad I create and the type of audience that I've targeted. So if you're not sure how to create ads after this, we'll definitely put a link below this video so you can get access to some of my other trainings that go into more depth on how to create ads based around dark posts or anything that you're doing on Facebook in the ad manager too. So again, hope you got a lot of value. I look forward to talking to you soon in the next training video. Bye-bye.